I just tried this glider out that I made years ago. It's been up on the shelf there for ages. I put it back there just so I could show you where I got it from. It's one of my very early gliders. It's a coffee stirrer for the fuselage, and then it's foam, cut from foam plates, quite thin stuff, for the wings and tail. But while it's been up there, it's obviously lost the weight that's normally on the front. And when I took it down, it dropped and it flew. But it doesn't fly like this. People get all excited about canards. I suppose they are fun, but they're not supposed to be quite like this. Come on, all we want is one straight flight for the video. Oh, looking good. Supposed to be taking the rubbish out, putting it in the bin. Oh. You know what this means? I might just have to make a little canard to do this properly. Okay, it's not flying perfectly, but it's flying better than I expected.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.